Joining us now is Galperin, CEO of MercadoLibre and founder. It's great to have you on, Marcos. I guess just walk us through what you're seeing in terms of the health of the consumer in Latin America, particularly in these markets that really shone bright, like Brazil and Mexico.
Hi, everyone, and thanks for inviting me. It's great to be here, Morgan. So the consumer in Latin America is rebounding very healthily after the pandemic. We're seeing strong growth in e-commerce across the board. We grew north of 50% on our e-commerce business, over 100% on our fintech business. So we're seeing very good growth, obviously secular growth with respect to the internet in general.
Your expectations for whether that continues to accelerate in Brazil, especially when this week we saw a cut by the central bank there that was much larger than had been expected.
Yeah, that was very good to see. Brazil was probably the first country to start raising interest rates. Inflation has come down pretty dramatically. It has relatively high real interest rates. So it's good to see that the central bank took this measure and brought down interest rates by 50 basis points. I think that will also probably help the consumer and in general consumption to continue growing.
Marcos, strong e-commerce results. Some on the street are describing the fintech results as mixed. Lay out for us what the main drivers of fintech growth are, kind of what's happening with point of sale and consumer trends in the countries that are most important for your growth in total payment volume.
Yeah. No, we were very happy with our growth in total payment volume. I think it was north of 90%, reaching $42 billion for the quarter. We grew very healthily, both in online payments, in our point of sale business, which is offline payments for merchants. We saw strong growth as well in our wallet, payments, peer-to-peer payments, or payments, to top up your phones and things like that. So our wallet is growing really very, very rapidly as it is becoming a mainstream way of paying in the region. We are seeing cash losing market share in payments, and digital payments growing very rapidly. So consumers are really using their telephone as a wallet, and we're seeing a lot of growth in that aspect as well. And then finally, in fintech, we have a very important arm, which is our credits business. We saw our credit portfolio grow very nicely with non-performing loans very controlled. So overall, very profitable growth. It was a very profitable quarter for us. That's why we announced on Thursday evening, and our stock price, on Wednesday evening, our stock price was up 10% on Thursday. So I think that the market liked the results as well.
Okay, so you said defaults or non-payment is under control. Within what band is that? I mean, I don't know how new that business is for you, but how close is it to being at a level of concern? When would you know?
No, so we have $3.3 billion of loans on our portfolio. This business has been going on for 6 years for us. Obviously, as interest rates started to go up, it was a time when we wanted to be very careful because we had never experienced portfolio growth in an environment of interest rates going up. That happened throughout last year, particularly in Brazil. But we continue to see very profitable growth on our portfolio. And now, as interest rates are coming down, we expect that to continue. So I would say overall, it's a very healthy portfolio. We have also launched our credit card in Brazil, and our last quarter was for the first time where we saw the cohorts for that quarter in terms of credit cards being profitable as well. That was the one area where we had been investing, meaning the credit card wasn't profitable, but now it is. So we really have, and we started to also grow the number of credit cards that we are issuing both in Brazil and in Mexico.